Hey everybody, this is my 1955 Desoto Fireflight. If you don't know, Desoto was made by Chrysler in the, I think the 40s through the 60s when Desoto went bankrupt. And basically it was because it was just like a Dodge. Well, not just like, but it's really similar to a Dodge car of the day. Again, this is a 1955. I've painted some of these body panels because I didn't want them to rust away and get ruined. Funny story, when I first bought this car, we towed it away on a trailer and this black door here fell off. The hinges were so rusted, so I had to repair those. I took this fender off to paint it. All the other parts I painted while they were on the car, including the hood. The drivetrain is out of a 92 Dodge Dakota. The engine, transmission, and rear end. And so that's why up here I converted it to disc brakes on the front, but on the back it has 6 lugs instead of 5, and that's why. Anyway, that's my car. Have a good day.